Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're going to be doing a beginner friendly install. This one comes courtesy of Rebirth. They are a hair company online, and of course you guys know I have the link to this wig in the description box as well as all of the details. This one here is a vibe. I went to a children's birthday party today. It was my god sister's 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Kaylani. Even though she won't see this video, I wanted to do something that was fun and like family appropriate, something easy to maintain. You guys know with like curly and wavy textures, the more you have fun, the more it's hot and humid, the more big and fun it gets. And if you guys can see, the texture on this one is absolutely flawless. I haven't added any product to this one. I didn't do like the diamond brush method, nothing like that. I literally just wet it with my continuous spray bottle from Bedeckbeauty.com. You guys know you do one push and it will continuously spray. So it's very easy to saturate the hair and get the desired look. Also, I did do a glueless install. I didn't plug, tweeze, bleach the knots. I didn't do much at all, so you'll see how we got this look. So if you're interested in seeing the whole process, the whole shebang, keep on watching. Okay, bestie boos. Okay, love bugs. Today is another day, another slay. I love it when I wake up and I get dressed in the morning and I just go ahead and do a fresh install for the day. Like, how cool is it to get your hair done every single day? I remember saying that like back in the day. I wish I can get my hair done every single day. And guess what? I live a dream where I can. So today I have my god sister's 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Kaylani. She's gonna have her birthday party at a fun play space. I think it's like an hour and a half away, so I've got to get going with getting the girls ready. But I went ahead and did my due diligence to make sure that I showered, moisturized, did my whole like skincare hygiene routine. And I'm going to have about like 15 minutes before like I have to get the girls up and get some coffee and all of that. So I'm going to try and do a quick install. And I feel like the easiest type of wig to install is like curly and wavy textures where you don't have to do anything to the ends. So today's going to be super quick and easy. I'm going to bond the wig down, cut off the excess lace, and we're going to just play up the curls. Actually, let me show you what it looks like on. This is the inside construction of the cap. And this is what the wig looks like on. I do want the curls to pop more, so I do want to take it to the sink and put some and co-wash it, but I don't want the lace to get wet because I just remembered we are a little bit pressed for time. So I'm going to just focus on the install for now. This is what the hairline looks like. It can definitely be plucked, tweezed more to look a little bit more natural, but you guys know this is going to be an art of finesse. With 15 minutes we don't have time to install, co-wash, and pluck the hairline. So let's see if we can make it look as real, as good, and as natural as we can without doing the most. So first off, let's just go ahead. This just doesn't match and it's bugging me. I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of the lace and bottom the wig down. We are going to decide if we want baby hair or not. You guys have already seen the thumbnail, so you guys already know what decision I made. These are my favorite scissors, but I want to say I've had this particular pair for at least 2 or 3 years. So I have to remind myself to order a fresh pair from Amazon. I think I'm actually going to order like 2 pairs so I can have a pair upstairs in my stash and downstairs as well. And of course I have them linked in the description box. As I told you guys, you like to cut the lace around the ear. This is going to help the wig to fit your personal ear like a glove. Let's go ahead and do the bond down process, and then we will finesse the cute little baby hair look.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get low. side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, we have it installed. Everything is tucked in. Let's go ahead and see the parting. Work on the hairline. We're definitely going to do baby hair today to break up the hairline since we're not going to tweeze. And we're definitely going to do a center part to kind of cover and finesse if it looks too full.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
So you need a little break, huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya. Now I'm prettier than ever. Took a second to forget your boy. Only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time. Cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the
Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can hear, but my girls are in the tub literally right here. A 15-minute install lasted a little bit longer than expected. Supposed to be out of the house by 11:30 and it is 11:34. The girls are in the tub about to do their hair. So we're gonna leave it at this. This is going to just be the look. Let me show you the hair from the back, and that's the beauty of curly hair. You don't really have to do too much.
I'm gonna watch your videos.
You gonna watch mommy YouTube videos?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch your videos.
I don't have no videos.
When you was at the airport. I know. It came in a cute little dust bag like so. And it also came with a, don't this look good? Came with a few free goodies. You have your wig caps, you have your lashes, some cute little earrings, edge brush, and a comb. This is a cute little interesting comb. I think this could go in my car. It's like a wide enough to be like a Y2 comb to get through curly hair, but still thin enough to get through straight hair. As far as the details, this one is deep curly, 24 inches, 180% density, and the texture is 13x4 lace wig. It is invisible, seamless, undetectable HD lace. Okay, the bugs, don't that look so much different? Hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours have gone by. I think it was, what time did I leave? I left at 12, so it had to be maybe like 11 when I started this video. Well, fast forward, I wanted to start the video, I think I started around 11, needed to be done by 11:30. We made it to like almost 12ish in this video, and I ended up like having to like simultaneously end this video while I had my girls like right here in the bath because we had to go, and you know, I wasn't gonna let them go out with no funky booties. Instead, to do their hygiene routine for the morning and such. So after I, you know, got them dressed and cleaned up and everything, I kind of went in and I just submerged the hair in the sink really fast. Really didn't add any products, but if you know, it just gives much more of a natural vibe. Now, you guys know I did use the hot color, what is it called? The electric hot comb, like in this area. So I did cancel out a little bit of the height and definition that would be right here. You guys know I kind of prefer that because I don't like it when it's too defined in the root. I just feel like I want that wave there, but I don't want it to be, how do you say it? Crimp. I mean, I don't want it to be like thick right here, if that makes any sense. So what I will say about this one is I did get tons of compliments on this hair while I was out. Again, we did go to a children's play place. Stay tuned to my next vlog. I didn't vlog like in detail, but I kind of just, you know, let the camera run a few times just to get, see, like, isn't this a vibe? I did let the camera run, you know, a couple of times just to capture a couple of the moments, the happy birthday, the kids playing and such. And again, people, not people, I'm not gonna act like, oh yeah, everybody was loving my hair, but there were 1 or 2 times where someone, you know, came up to me and was like, your hair is so beautiful. And I'm like, oh yeah, I did it myself. You know, the vibes. But I think this hair would be even more beautiful if I went ahead and added products. But again, I just really wanted to test it out and see what happens if you just literally wet it. Like, what is the texture in itself? Because any texture you can finesse with a dimming brush and clump it together. Any texture you can go in and like add product and it kind of relax and help it to, you know, tame it. But what does the hair do on its own? That is the real question always. You can follow the steps that I did today and you'll pretty much be a-okay. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like to tweeze out the hairline, or do you like to leave it as is when you purchase? Do you like baby hair? Are you team no baby hair? Would you prefer to tint the lace, or would you prefer to, like, at the end add powder and or concealer? Like, we all are different. Me personally, you guys know I'm a combination of all those things. It just depends on the day and my mood. But I'm gonna let you guys go. This one came from Rebirth, as I mentioned before. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.